In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a compelling one-line description for your publication. Whether you're an author, a journalist, or someone launching a new online magazine, crafting a concise yet impactful one-liner can make all the difference in grabbing your audience's attention. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps. First off, you'll want to think about your audience. Who are you trying to reach? Understanding your target audience is vital because your one-line description should resonate with them. Are they professionals in a specific field, casual readers looking for entertainment, or maybe researchers seeking in-depth analysis? Tailor your language and tone accordingly. Next, identify the essence of what your publication is about. What is the core message or theme? Keep in mind that you're trying to convey the soul of your content with just a few words. Take a moment to jot down keywords or phrases that encapsulate your publication's mission. This could be anything from in-depth analysis, creative storytelling, or innovative trends. These phrases will come in handy when you start formulating your description. Now that you have a clearer idea of your audience and your publication's essence, let's focus on clarity. This is crucial. Avoid jargon or overly complex language. Your goal is to make it easy for anyone reading the description to instantly understand what your publication is about. You want it to be so clear that a person who's never heard of you before reads it and immediately gets a picture of what you offer. A readable one-liner carries more weight than an ornate one filled with buzzwords. Once you have the clarity in your mind, it's time to add a dash of intrigue. What sets your publication apart from others in your niche? Highlighting a unique selling point can entice your audience to dig deeper. Maybe your publication offers exclusive interviews with industry leaders or unique insights into niche topics that others overlook. Incorporate that into your one-liner. This adds a new layer of appeal and can be the tipping point that encourages someone to explore more of what you have to offer. Next, let's talk about structure. A straightforward formula to consider is subject plus verb plus unique insight. For example, we explore innovative ideas that redefine the future of technology. This structure helps you not only stay focused on what's important, but also allows room for fluidity in your wording. Play around with synonyms or alternate constructions until it sounds just right, but remember to keep it simple. After structuring it, remember the importance of refinement. Once you have a draft, read it aloud. It might sound perfect on paper, but hearing it can reveal awkward phrasing or unclear ideas. If it doesn't roll off the tongue easily, or if it's too long, consider revisiting your words. You want your description to be engaging and easy to remember, so don't be afraid to simplify or tweak it. Also, don't hesitate to ask for opinions. Sharing your one-liner with a few trusted peers can provide valuable insights. They may catch nuances or implications that you hadn't thought about. Sometimes, fresh eyes can see things from a perspective you might be too close to notice. Finally, make sure to test your description in different contexts. Use it in your social media profiles, on your website, or even in press releases. See how it works across platforms and resonate with your audience. You can always tweak it as you observe the responses you receive. So there you have it. Writing a one-line description for your publication doesn't have to be an overwhelming task. By thinking about your audience, being clear and concise, highlighting what makes you unique, and refining your message, you can create something that truly captures the essence of your work. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing